Germany. CD.
Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaykum assalam wa rahmatullah.
Ramadan Mubarak.
And to you as well and to your family, akhi.
Jazakallah khair. Sheikh, how should we Muslims treat to family members, working colleagues who are strict to us, angry, who are not like merciful? How should we treat them according to the Sunnah?
Again, I always use this, don't be offended. When a dog barks at you, you never fall on your hands and knees to bark back. So when people of ignorance, even if they're dear to you and you love them and you respect them and they're related to you, or colleagues or friends, treat you badly or angrily, don't react. Who cares? What counts is what's in your heart. Akhi, we can always go down to people's levels. If they curse, we can curse. If they beat us, we can beat them back. But this doesn't make us any better. The Prophet said, alayhi salatu wasalam, لَيْسَ الشَّدِيدُ بِالصُّرَعَةِ. A strong man is not a person who defeats others in fighting and wrestling. Rather, a strong man is the one who controls himself in anger. This is the real man. So, when they abuse you, when they misbehave with you, ignore them. Give them a big smile. Never defend yourself. Never argue with them or talk back. Ignore it. Believe me, they will, with all due respect, act like a dog after a while. They will bark, 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 and then they'll get tired. Because you're not responding, they have failed to provoke you to answer back, they will let go. But the moment you show a reaction or a negative response, they will continue to bark till the day of judgment.